So let's talk about the thing nowadays going on, virus and fungus. So my opinion is about the virus and fungus. It is only going to attack or harvest your body, or you are going to be dead, or it will be affecting your life only when your whole body is ready to be get affected by a virus or fungus. What is function of virus or fungus? This is main question. The main function of virus or fungus in this universe is to decay things, to resolve the live dead thing into the basic of this universe. What is basic of this universe is all kind of minerals, carbon, water, different minerals that are given into the periodic table. So this is the main basic function of virus or fungus. If you mark, or if you understand, or if you try to study any person who is going to die, or if you do the autopsy examination, you will find thousands of virus and fungus into that body of the person. So at last stage of any animal surviving on this earth, at last period of his life, he is going to be charged by these viruses and funguses. In Hindu religion, if you mark, I have not seen other funeral of any other religion. What they do, they keep some kind of cotton swab or into the nostrils of that person. Why? Because there may be chances of coming out of some kind of virus out of the clean whole of the body. Why? So that the infection won't be get spreading outside. At end of the funeral, if you see what they do, one person who had the main into that funeral gives leaves of the neem tree. What is the function of that neem tree? If somehow by chance, if you have come in contact with some kind of infection, of viral infection, what is function of that neem leaf? It is bitter, and if you have got infected, it may kill the infection. So there are reasons for everything. So you are going to get exposed to those viruses. There are so many viruses or fungus around you. Why you are not getting infected? Why you are not getting symptom? Or why people are not dying every day before this COVID? Why this virus only attacked during this period? Because if you try to study the changes into the environment since last year, there are so many drastic changes. Certain rise of temperature, certain fall of temperature. Any time there is rain, any time there is heat. Very less amount of cold weather. So those things created the scenario or the standard condition to growth for those kind of viruses, and that's why it became a pandemic. And if you see, it has been written into the books, the death rate of such kind of COVID type of viruses, mortality is 1.2, 2.4, nothing more than. And what is the mortality that has been resulted up till now, not more than that. It is fixed. So why to fear? So don't fear. Just take care that your body is not going to affected, not going to affect it up to the extent of mortality. You have to search out which are the things that are favorable for those type of viruses. You have to look for, you have to take care of your type of food, your lifestyle, what you are eating, what you are drinking. If you see, only those patients got to the mortality or got dead, those who has got some kind of very severe disease they are suffering from. Why? Because the economy is already gone down up to more than 50%. So what I mean to say is, you have to prepare or keep your body or your economy up to the condition that you are going to be safe, right? So take care, watch your food, watch your lifestyle, and be free from the fear. Don't worry, there is no need to worry. If you are sure about your body or your economy is how it is working, if you are free from any kind of symptom or diseases, you are not going to up to the stage of mortality. Are you getting? That is all. So be free from the fear. Thank you.